Hey everyone, what is up? Jen in the house. I know it's been a while since you've seen my face. A lot has happened. So, let's just get started. Okay? Alright, well, I've been gone and for good reasons. So, let's just have a casual talk. I'm here in my living room by the front door. Nobody knows I'm doing this. Just got a new ring light and here goes nothing. So, I've been gone for so long. A, I'm not selling unique. B, I started college again. C, I quit the wretched fucking job I was at. Well, they let me go. It's neither here nor there. I'm not there anymore. I've been a chef for 20 years plus, 20 plus years. I was really just over it. Burnout and not enjoying life. So, I am going back to college. I am at university and I am studying to be a counselor. So, I want my channel to be more about life. My life is the life of Jen, and so I do enjoy cooking at home. This is about the most makeup I've worn in a long time. I really just do powder foundation. I love my long lashes. I can't go anywhere without drawing on some brows. I recently got my hair cut. You know, I still get a few subscription boxes and life is just simple. It's a little bit different now. And I just want to represent myself in a different way. I actually have my BoxyCharm box here with me. I just got my FabFitFun not too long ago. Loved that. And I just want to change gears on my channel just a little bit. I have a pool. I do gardening. I'm in college now. I'm a 40-year-old college student. So many different things that I could be sharing with you, not just unboxings or makeup. And so I really want to do that now. And so that's kind of what I want to do. So if you're new to my channel, things are going to be a changing. My name is Jennifer Cahill. Should be Kemp Cahill. Can't get into his fucking social security office to change my last name. I got divorced in the past year. That's a long story. If you want to hear it, let me know. I can get into it. Do you want my life story? Let me know. I can get into it. I'm a recovering alcoholic addict and part of the LGBTQ plus community. And yeah, I have 2 children, 16 and 21. I love makeup, I love cooking, I love helping others, gardening, taking care of my swimming pool, and yeah. So, since I have my BoxyCharm here, I'll go ahead and show you what I got in it. And I picked the Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating Treatment Mask. This is a full size, it's $60. They also have like a bigger size now. That's like a lot of fucking money. That's all I know. It's a lot of fucking money. If you don't like people that cuss, you ain't gonna like it here. I'm telling you that because your girl cusses a lot. It is what it is. I got this half cake thing and at first I was real confused by it. But essentially it's a brush. It's like a duo fiber brush. It's actually really soft. It's really soft. And it's a Me and You is the color, which I was like, okay. In Bloom by Half Cake. And it's like this, I know the light washes it out, but it's like this peachy color. So I'll wear that. So it's like a brush blush duo. And that's 22 bones. And then I got this like radiant finish, like hyaluronic acid, like vitamin A, E, F, and B, silicone based. It's supposed to help fight age. I'm trying to say I'm old, motherfucker. I'm here for that. Anyways, Georgette Klinger. You'll be the judge, but I'm pretty sure that's what that means. For all skin types, but you know that's a fucking lie because it ain't gonna work for everybody. So there's that. And that's $32. But I ain't paying $32 for this. I can get some all-nighter from Urban Decay for way less than that. And it's on sale at that 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta. Pinky Rose. So I gotta say, like, the packaging to this is cute. You know what I mean? Liked it. When I opened it up, it was like these two, like, looking ass shadow stick things. And the first one's just like the Benefit, like, brow highlighter thing. And then the other one, I don't know, it's like coppery, probably good for like the fall season. And then the last one kind of threw me for a loop, but those were $20. And then this one is Hair Essence. It's a quick slick. It's for like your flyaways and baby hairs. It's like a hair glue. That's all I'm saying, a hair glue. And that's it. That's my BoxyCharm. But I was like, is this my base box? Because it only adds up to be like 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 30, $150. And I thought it was supposed to be like 165 or something. So I feel like I got robbed. I got robbed. Anyways. So, hang out if you want to get to know me. And if you don't, that's fine. I think I'm definitely... I got a Cricut Maker 3. So I want to make some shirts. And I want to make some tumblers and stuff like that. And show you what I did. And then I definitely want to show you like how to cook. And my garden. And stuff like that. So I do it all from my phone. And with like a $25 ring light. And that's it. That's all I got. And a motherfucking app on my phone. So if you're looking for some high class, bitch spend a lot of money on a camera and on all the things, this ain't the motherfucking place for you. If you want a down home, cool ass, laid back, real motherfucker, that's me. Do I get free shit from Influenster? Yes. Do I get people who see my following on Facebook and Instagram and want to collaborate? They want to send me shit for me to post about it? Yes. But I always give an honest review. And sometimes they get mad and they don't ask me to do it again. And that's fine. Because that's what honest review means. Okay? So I'm back from the dead. And now I'm going to go make homemade crunch wraps for my family. Because I love them. And that shit's good. And all you got to do y'all want to see that? You let me know, because if you do, I'm going to record it next time I make them, because it's so easy. And you think Jaclyn Hill made it good, but no. We don't use Tostita fucking cheese in our motherfucking crunch wraps. Okay, no. And also, we use tamed fucking jalapenos, and we chop them up. We sprinkle them in like the tomatoes. Tomato. What the fuck ever. That's what we do around here, okay? So if you want to see that, you let me know in the comments, okay? Okay. And I don't know if I'm going to keep up with my do I want to buy it, will I buy it, and all that stuff, but I really like being on that community playlist because I love Samantha March. She's the best. Love her. And I love her girls and where she's going in her life, and I pray for her and her struggles, and I hope that she has the most beautiful marriage and children and family one day. And I hope it all works out for her. And I thank her for letting me be on the community playlist. And I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but I haven't been buying a lot of makeup. I got to be real with you, but I will say the brow kiki and the brow pen and Patrick Ta's brow lamination stuff, that shit hits. And I was using the Chanel, I still do use it sometimes, mascara. But I found a drugstore mascara that I really like. So if you want to see my favorites so far this year, like what I've changed to from like what I was using, like what I'm using now, I can do that too. So drop your freaking ideas down at the bottom. And I also got a TikTok now, so I don't know. People change. We grow. What can I say? I don't have a background like I used to because we took down my desk in my room to like make more room. And then it's like, no, it didn't make more room. I'll just leave it at that. Okay? Okay. So, I love you guys. I missed you. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. I'll make some fucking crate traps. Drink a lot of tea. Be kind. And help somebody. Jenn.